Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best engine guards for Harley Davidson motorcycles on the market. If you're looking to protect your ride without compromising on style, you're in the right place. Introducing the ECOTRIC Engine Guard Highway Crash Bar, designed specifically for Harley Davidson touring models. Whether you ride an Electra Glide, Road King, Road Glide, or Street Glide from 1997 to 2008. This chrome-plated beauty is engineered to offer superior protection and a touch of elegance. Let's talk features. Crafted from high-strength steel, this engine guard boasts durability that stands the test of time. The triple-dipped chrome finish not only enhances its longevity, but also gives it a stunning gloss that complements the classic lines of your Harley. What sets this guard apart? Its robust 1/4 metal tubing provides solid protection against impact, ensuring your bike stays safe during unexpected situations on the road. The unique softly curved design not only looks stylish but also maintains ground clearance, so you get protection without compromising on performance. Installation is straightforward with its bolt-on design. It's tailored specifically for Harley Davidson touring models equipped with fairing lowers, ensuring a precise fit that seamlessly integrates with your bike's existing structure. Why should you consider this guard? Apart from its protective capabilities, it's priced competitively, making it a smart investment for both new and seasoned riders alike. Plus, it's backed by solid ratings and is Amazon's choice in powersports engine guards by ECOTRIC. To sum it up, if you're looking to enhance both the protection and aesthetics of your Harley Davidson touring bike, the ECOTRIC Engine Guard Highway Crash Bar is definitely worth considering. It blends style with functionality, ensuring your motorcycle not only looks great but stays protected on every ride. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the latest products. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.